Today we're tackling a common question that every smart TV owner has at some point. How do you switch HDMI inputs on your smart TV? Whether you're switching between your gaming console, streaming device, or Blu-ray player, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change HDMI inputs on your Sceptre Smart TV. First things first, locate the HDMI ports on your smart TV. Typically, these are found on the back or the side of your TV. Each HDMI port is labeled with a number, like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and so on. This labeling will help you identify which port is connected to which device. For example, HDMI 1 might be your cable box, while HDMI 2 could be your gaming console. Before you switch inputs, make sure the device you want to use is powered on. For instance, if you want to use your PlayStation or Fire Stick, turn it on first. This ensures your TV can detect the active device when you switch inputs. Now grab your TV remote and look for a button labeled Input, Source, or sometimes AV. Pressing this button will bring up a menu on your screen showing all the available inputs. Use the arrow buttons on your remote to navigate through the options. Scroll through the list until you find the HDMI input that corresponds to the device you want to use. For example, if your gaming console is connected to HDMI 2, highlight HDMI 2 on the menu and press the OK or Enter button on your remote. Your TV will switch to that input and you'll see the device's screen appear. What if you've lost your remote? Don't worry. Most smart TVs have physical buttons on the side or bottom of the screen. Look for the Input or Source button and press it repeatedly to cycle through the available HDMI inputs. Stop when you reach the one you need. Here's a bonus tip. On many smart TVs, you can rename your HDMI inputs to make them easier to identify. For example, you can rename HDMI 1 to cable box and HDMI 2 to gaming console. This option is usually found in your TV's settings menu under input labels or source names. And that's it. Switching HDMI inputs on your smart TV is quick and easy, whether you're using a remote or not. Now you can seamlessly jump between all your devices and enjoy your favorite shows, games, and more. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more smart TV tips and tricks. Have any other questions about your smart TV? Drop them in the comments below and we'll cover them in a future video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.